Millions of people diet and exercise every single day, yet many of them fail to get results. Why? It's not because of poor choices, laziness, or any of the usual suspects. Rather, it's because they have a broken metabolism that makes it almost impossible to lose weight. What if you could fix your broken metabolism easily and effortlessly? And dissolve up to 42 pounds of ugly fat off your belly, butt, arms, and thighs, without dieting or so much as even stepping foot on a treadmill. I know it sounds like a fantasy, but women and men all over the world are now doing this daily, dropping multiple dress sizes and pants sizes in just a few days. I almost couldn't believe it myself until I saw the startling proof. One of the worst ways you can try to lose weight is calorie restriction. This is where you try to eat as little as possible. And when you do eat, you eat like a rabbit, nibbling on vegetables and salads and other low-calorie foods. But here's the truth. This kind of low-calorie, rabbit diet is a bad idea. This is because your metabolism will slow down to match your reduced calorie intake. Not only that, but this approach also fails to address the real problem, which for millions of people is a broken metabolism. If you have a broken metabolism and you don't deal with this problem first, it will be next to impossible for you to drop the pounds. But if you fix this problem, the results can be amazing. Once Jane fixed her metabolism, she dropped 42 pounds in a matter of days. Now for the first time she's revealing exactly what she did. So, skip the rabbit diet and do this instead. The secret to this amazing weight loss discovery is fat-dissolving, exotic island, gummy, Pura Drop. Pura Drop is the delicious gummies that help you lose weight and keep it off. With Pura Drop's uniquely formulated gummy, you'll experience what it's like to accelerate your weight loss. Pura Drop supports accelerated weight loss with one delicious gummy a day. Just take one yummy gummy a day and you too can drop dress sizes and fit into your favorite outfits again. Benefits. With the unique Pura Drop formula inspired by the Greek island of Icaria, you can experience all-day energy and accelerated weight loss support, and the following benefits. Rapid fat burn and appetite suppression. Curb your cravings by taking one Pura Drop a day. You'll instantly feel the difference as Pura Drop takes just minutes to begin suppressing your appetite and boosting your metabolism. Gut cleansing and improved digestion. Pura Drop contains a beneficial combination of proteins, enzymes, and good bacteria that gently cleanse your gut and improve your digestion. Improved energy for peak performance. Pura Drop is supercharged with vitamins B6, B9, and B12 that support a steady flow of energy at a cellular level and prevent fatigue. Weight loss to feel light and look great. A natural way to achieve better weight management and lose pound after pound with each gummy you take. Pura Drop is a weight loss formula backed by powerful science. Pura Drop makes certain that everything you're taking is scientifically proven to help you lose weight fast and compiled some clinical studies so you can see the scientific proof of weight loss using unbiased methodical testing. Trusting your weight loss journey with Pura Drop has never been easier. They only use the purest, lab-tested ingredients that have been distilled into a delicious gummy. It is natural formula, easy to chew, plant-based ingredients, no stimulants, non-GMO, and non-habit forming. Ingredients. The key ingredient in Pura Drop is Vinagre de Cidra de Manzanilla, which is backed by powerful clinical studies. Pura Drop all-natural ingredient blend for weight loss and fat burn are sourced from the top quality ingredients and distilled them into a mouth-watering gummy. All ingredients are made without gluten, dairy, or soy, and are free of synthetic colors and artificial flavors. Vinagre de Cidra Manzana. Vinagre de Cidra Manzana is a powerful ingredient that supports accelerated weight loss, healthy digestion, and a faster metabolism. Beet juice powder. Beets are highly nutritious and full of antioxidants. They support healthy blood pressure levels, stamina, and an accelerated metabolism. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is a superfood and a great source of vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, and supports overall joint health. Iodine. Iodine ensures the proper functioning of the thyroid gland and helps regulate your metabolism, bone health, and immune response. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is a supervitamin that acts as an antioxidant against many diseases and maintains immune function. It helps convert food to energy. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is crucial to produce red blood cells and DNA while increasing energy production in the body. It also helps improve mood. Thanks to this exotic island loophole, you can repair your damaged metabolism and melt 42 pounds of pure fat right off your belly, butt, face, and thighs, while still eating all your favorite foods, like pizza, cake, and ice cream. All because of an exotic island loophole that fixes your broken metabolism. We can see some of the success stories from the Drop actual and verified users. Every morning 67,380 people chew on this Drop fat-dissolving exotic island gummy. Not only does this exotic island loophole fix your broken metabolism, it also helps you burn up to 2 pounds of stubborn fat a day. If you want to learn more, visit the official website, where you can see the full story behind this amazing supplement, its ingredients, and more. Check the link in the description and pinned comment to get all the details now. And if you have any doubts or questions or want to share your experience in using this product, please do not hesitate to write it in the comments section below. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. Thank you for watching.